Hello everyone, as you know, I'm Trường and I come from group 1. Today, I'm here to tell you about my dreams, but especially they are not only at present but also lots of dreams in past. Some of them are quite crazy. Well, here we go. When I was a child, I wished I would become a Superman and could fly to the sky as a bird. That's so funny and quite stupid, but I like it. When I grew up, I had another dream. It was to become a photographer. I always wanted to be a photographer because I'm very interested in taking amazing photos. But that's not my dream anymore. I want to be a doctor too. Doctor is my dream job because I can help many people. Most importantly, when you are a doctor, you will get very good pay. However, as you see, almost of my dreams doesn't come true. But I don't worry, I still dreams more and more. I will try my best to reach it. I'm here as a student in Hanoi University of Science and Technology, and I'm proud of it. Now, I really want to be a programmer, and in the future I'm going to design a website with 1 billion members. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Believe me. Okay, that's all of my dreams. What about you? Tell me now. I'm waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and see you again.